Gotta do a under roll. Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and turn post notifications on so you know whenever I post a video. So in today's video, I'm going to do a tour of the farm that my grandparents live on. So let's do that. So here we've got my grandpa's shop where he does his shop things. And then we've got some tractors. They've got the gas thing here. And they've got a couple cows. As you know, my grandpa had a stroke. And here's a couple cows. I love cows. Hi, guys. Hi. He did come to me earlier, but he's eating now. No? Okay, I'll come back later. We got some tractors, a truck, and then this is the old camper that we used to go camping in all the time. Loved this thing. And then here's the old dump truck. Cool truck. Love this thing. I rode in it once. It is so loud. It is extremely loud. And then we've got more fencing and where cows used to be. There's used to be so many cows here. And this is the place where me and my sister did the, we raised a couple cows here.
So what do you normally do?
We brush them first and then we go around bleeding them. Yeah.
And what else do you do in the beginning?
Feed them their milk.
Mm-hmm. And why are you doing it with these two? What's the reason why?
Because their mommy wouldn't take them because they're twins.
Okay.
We took the firstborn instead of the second one.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Let's go, buddy. Go around in a circle already. Come on. Come on, out. Hey. Come on, buddy. Okay.
And then there's poor Cora. She has the stubborn one.
Yeah. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. Good boy. Come on. You're doing a great job. Come on, covering house, Robert. Come on.
We fed them milk every morning, and we led them, and we put like halters on them and stuff. But there's the house. We used to have chickens in there until the coyotes ate them all long time ago. And then we had rabbits that went in there. That's quite a while ago, actually. But yeah, that's where we used to keep the chickens, and we had some rabbits in there at one time. And then if we come this way, we've got the barn. We've got grain stuff, some sheds, another grain thing, combine, and some things. This thing, you used to put the cow in there, you lock him in there, and you can give him his shots or whatnot, and you could feed him, milk him, stuff like that. So that's just the front yard here. And yeah, then we come This way, we've got the fields, and we got the garden and the potato patch over there. This is the tractor that my grandpa uses to take bales and put them in the little crates over there for them. We got this cool thing. That's some cool old machinery. We've got an old car. Yeah, this car I wanted this car, but it's too old and it's rotting out at the bottom, and my grandma didn't think it would be suitable enough to drive anywhere, so it's still here, but I really wanted it. Oh well. Yeah. Got some more old tractor stuff. Okay, so here, I'm just gonna undo this for a second. Nah, I'll just go under it. Okay, got under that. My grandma and grandpa had a tornado come through here not too long ago, and it destroyed a couple of those things. Here's bales that I used to jump along all the time, and Coffee, she's dead now, but used to lay her babies in between the bales, and yeah. Can you hear the cows? Oh, I love it here so much, and I wish I could just be here, move here, but love it here. See? Just completely, they were like, I don't know if they were here at all. I don't think they were here. They were over there where the other two were, and they're all the way over here because the tornado came through here. I got more tractor things going along here to the garden. Yeah, this space is usually where he keeps all the bales, but he doesn't have that many cows right now, so he doesn't need bales. He only has 3 cows right now that he's taking care of, and he's given a bunch of cows to friends and stuff to take care of because he can't do it all by himself anymore. So we've got the combine. Got an old truck. I love old trucks, so I'd love to take this baby home, but again, not suitable. Looks like he's taken the wheel off of this guy, probably put it on another guy. Yeah. That guy's just for parts. This is the garden, so we've got the greenhouse here. Greenhouse that's mostly storage for tomatoes that they've got, squash, and the tomato cages and stuff like that. So it's a little ratty right now, but we've got some squash, cucumbers. It's usually tomatoes here. We've got corn, peas. We've got sunflowers, carrots, more tomatoes, sunflowers for the birds, probably beets here and stuff, more beets, beans, got dill for pickling, but we did a lot of pulling out of the carrots. We did a lot of carrots, we did a lot of potatoes. I'm going to show you that patch in a second, but yeah, my grandma has big garden. Nice birds that have their meetings here all the time. But yeah, got the pumpkins and stuff. Very nice garden. I used to play in the garden all the time. Used to play in the mud. And we tried to dig a hole down to China when the Olympics were in China that time. And just had great memories here. I love it here. But yeah. So let's go to the potato patch now. I spent many summers here on the farm, and when my dad was sick with cancer, I spent a lot of time here. And yeah, this feels like home to me. Being out in the middle of almost nowhere and just doing your thing. Potato patch is out over here, so we'll sneak back under here. Try not to get hit by the barbed wire. Made it. Okay. Now, potato patch is over here. So I think my grandma and grandpa are renting out this land now, and I think anyways, I'm not 100% sure, but it's all gone right now. Digging it up, and for the winter time. Tomorrow is my last day here until I have to go back, and I don't want to go, but I do also want to go. I want to go see my boyfriend, Steven, of course, and see my sister, and just go back home, you know. But this feels like home. So beautiful. So beautiful. Just gotta do a under roll. Here's another field of his. They've got the oil thing there, so they own a little bit of that because it's on their property. So that's cool. Here is the potato patch. I remember it always being this way, but I guess they have put it this way this year. It's probably better fertilization and stuff if you do it in different spots after a while. So we dug up all the potatoes the other day, and we got like a bunch of mineral tubs full of them. Just this whole thing was full of potatoes, and we used the tractor that was over there to dig them all up, and we just picked as many as we can. Here's another one. There's another potato. I'm just gonna chuck it over there. There's another potato. You're just gonna keep finding potatoes because there's just so many potatoes. Oh, there's another one. Oh my god. That guy's cut in half and too green anyways, so there we go. I'll show you his other shop in a second when we get back to the house. So talking about a tornado that went through here not too long ago. While me and my grandparents were camping a while back, I was pretty little, and we were almost caught in a tornado. I sort of remember this. It's like the calm before the storm. So it's completely calm, and then all of a sudden the sky turns green. It's like, oh shit. So we went to one of my friend's place, and we hid in their garage, and we ate carrots. We were just chilling. But we didn't get hit by a tornado. We were fine, but still, it was scary. I hate storms. Thunderstorms, they scare me. And winds, they scare me. I'm scared of any storm, but I was probably freaking out, but we were chilling eating carrots. So I think those two things that were over there by the tornado, I think they used to live here. I'm pretty sure. All the cats. Hello, kitties. This is the other garage. So many cats. Hi. Hello. I don't got no food. No. See, I can pet you. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Yeah. Whoop, you good? Okay, walk around here. We've got peppers here. Then the raspberry patch is in behind this area. We've got the fire pit there. I'm pretty sure I've only done a fire pit there once. But got some firewood. This is the raspberry patch here. This is the house in the back. Oh, they've got the grape bush there. They've got a bleeding heart bush. Love bleeding hearts. Yeah, just a bunch of trees and plants. My grandma loves planting flowers. I remember when this tree used to be so short. Now it's so tall. But yeah, that's the phone line. Do not run over that. But yeah, and this is the place where we had to stop the people from making the road because it was too much money. Stopped it right here. But yeah, there's the house from this side. But yeah, they've got this old thing. It doesn't work, but it just looks really nice. So yeah, it's really pretty. Pretty flowers and stuff. Yeah. In these trees, I used to play house all the time in there. Like the trees, it kind of made like rooms. Like I'd have a room, my sister would have a room. Whenever my cousins came over, they had a room. But yeah, this is the entryway and stuff. Yeah, cute. All right. Well, that is the tour of the place. I hope you guys are doing great, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.